look how good she's doing that. Ooh, why did you quit? Oh. So what are you doing now?
He's gonna dive.
He's gonna dive? Okay. Boom! He didn't go down very far. I think when they dive in those competitions, they have to like do it really. Yeah, deep. Like that, and then come up splashing. Yeah, like that. You can't swim with her? Let her swim. You go along beside her like that. Oh, that's cool.
My pictures turn out yellow or green.
Turn out what?
Yellow or green, my pictures.
Oh, because yeah, you might have to you can reset it. You can set your boom. There she goes. There she goes. To your right. To your right. All the way to your right. You're not even close. You could go farther. Go to the ladder.
You're gonna jump in and save her if she drowns.
She's not gonna drown. Now swim back.
No.
So you think you can't swim from there, but you can swim down here.
She's gonna walk out.
I know. See, you did it. You did it. That's what I was trying to explain to her. Okay, come back now. Uh-huh. Now that was awesome. You did it! Yes!
Can you put your arms out straight?
Awesome. Okay, you can go now. That is beautiful. That is absolutely. Ooh, she's doing so well. Huh. Cool. Good lifeguard. You're gonna save first. You better save you gotta save the prince first. He's been in the longest. Now you have to swim back with him. Yay, are they breathing?
I'll give the prince down the mountain.
Oh my. The prince is going to drown before you save him. Get him quick. Hurry. The mermaid's cool. She knows how to swim.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we have obstacles on this Savior. Look, and she's going to leave the safety of it and come back in the water. You left the